Alright guys, I'm back again. It's been quite a while since I've uploaded a video. It's just been a long time since I've worked on it. I actually got it running, well, ready to go on the road, and I was driving it over the weekend, over the Christmas weekend. And over the weekend, my water pump started pissing water. So, as you do, it's time to go replace parts. So I went and I got the new water pump, and as I started taking the old one off, flashlight's dying here. As I started taking the old one off, I broke a couple of bolts. One of them I was able to get out pretty easily. The other two are giving me all the trouble I'm having right now. So long story short, I have this one right here. As you can kind of see, it's broken right there. Right there. It's broken right there and in here somewhere. And if you notice, right there is, that's too bright. Right back there is my block. That is my engine block. That's where the threads of that bolt go. The threads are still in there. And as you know, this, as you can tell, this is a stud. So I can't get away with not replacing it. Same thing over here. The exact opposite, the same bolt on the opposite side of the water pump. The same issue. Well, kind of. It's broken a little farther in there, and I can't get to it. So I have to take my timing cover off, which is what you see here. I have a couple of bolts coming out of it already. But my main issue right now is I'll update when I get it done, and I'll update the process. But I have to take my harmonic balancer off so that I can get my timing cover off. Honestly, this is a nightmare. I really hate this. I don't have a garage. It's cold out here. I have a little bit of light thanks to where I am at my apartments. But yeah, as you can see, there's a big nut right there that, oh, I don't know if you can see it, but there's a big old nut. Right, or not a nut, that's stupid. Big old bolt, yeah. There you go, big old bolt. Right there that I have to get off. I don't know what size that is. I don't have any sockets close to that size. Yeah. Yeah, so that's the process I'm at right now. That's the point I'm at. To be honest, this sucks, and I hate it. Yeah. But otherwise, I got my gasket surface here. It goes, that's a hose in the way. It goes all around there. I got it cleaned off, sanded down. It's a pretty good surface right now. But yeah, I rented a puller, but I didn't realize there were bolts to take off on here, and I took them off, and I did not realize there was one giant one in the middle. Until about 5 minutes ago, before I started recording. So yeah, that's where I'm at. Maybe I'll see you guys next time. I'll update when I can. If anybody happens to know that nut size, or that bolt size, I'll probably find it by the time anybody comments on that. My flashlight's dying here. There we go. Gotta give it a couple good knocks. And then, yeah. So I'll update when I can. This has been a 2-hour project turned into a 5-day 5-day project. It's been 5 days now. Anyway, I'll see you guys whenever I can upload again.